Hi, Cancer. This is Red from Scarlet Ibis Tarot, and I'm doing your reading for the upcoming week. So let's see what's up with Cancer. Still want to do readings outside, but it's still too noisy out there. I don't know what's making the ducks and the crows so angry, but they're definitely shouting at everybody. Okay, so let's see what's going on. I'm also totally off the reading schedule I tried to do because it's just impossible. So things are going to show up when they show up. It's more doable so far, so hooray for that. Okay, Cancer. Keep in mind these readings are general, so they may or may not resonate with you. If they do, that's fantastic. If they don't, please check your other placements or try one of the other awesome readers on YouTube because there's plenty of talented people out there ready to help you. Also, keep in mind roles may be reversed, and cross-watchers, you're welcome here, but please check your own placements because it does take two to tango. Okay, that's all the excitement. Now, Cancer. Start off with 3 of Wands reversed. Little stuck, little not much going on. Queen of Cups and Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, you're like kind of keeping your mouth shut about what's going on right now. It feels like you're making plans. Like you've got a whole bunch of plans on how you want your life to be. And you're going through a time of evaluating what will bring you the most comfort and like the most benefits towards your life. So you may in the past have had problems with like your, like you haven't felt emotionally fulfilled, or you haven't felt financially fulfilled. And it's been in your head, like, how am I going to change this? How am I going to get these things that I want in my life? And right now, it's kind of an epiphany of what you need to have happen to make you feel better about what things are going on, but you don't know how to do it. Okay, yeah, so on the bottom of the deck, we've got the Chariot, right? I mean, there's that desire for movement, desire for change. Sorry, I didn't put it on there too well, but there's this desire for things to be different. You know, you're really wanting this change, this movement, and you're not sure how to do it. But I think in some ways for you, Cancer, this is like this internal need to change is what's going to reveal to you what to do. So whoever you're dealing with doesn't... Okay, so we've got the Moon, we've got the Wheel of Fortune reversed, and we've got the Page of Pentacles. This is kind of a person and kind of a situation too. It doesn't... Let me put it this way. You've been so busy keeping it to yourself about how you'd like things to change in your life and how things you want different, but nobody knows. So if you're looking for a job, like no one knows you're looking for a new job because you haven't put out any signs of it. Again, like I said, I feel like there's this internal desire for change going on, and it's not reflecting outward yet. But when you do open up and let people know that you are looking for a new job, that you are wanting a more emotional connection with other people, that you want things to be differently, someone will be able to help you here. But it's not going to be the person you expect to help you. There's someone in your life who you thought was reliable, but they aren't. And that's kind of fine. I mean, people have to have their own self-interest. You can't be the be-all, end-all in somebody else's life, and someone else shouldn't be the be-all, end-all in your life. There should be like a balance going on here. But the thing is, I think the person you're expecting to give you like this key to changing what's going on in your life, it's not the person you think it is. It's somebody else. Somebody else is going to give you an offer. Yeah. King of Wands reversed. 8 of Swords reversed. And the Ace of Wands. There's that thing that's going on. So that change that you have going on is going to start to manifest of your desires for your more fulfilling life is going to manifest once you start letting other people know what you want to do or how you want to change it. And again, it seems like the person you're primarily dealing with in all of this is not as supportive of you as you believe they are, or let me put it, okay, Cancer. So your partner or the person you're thinking about who'd be supportive of you, you would like relocate for them, right? They're like, okay, yeah, I got a job offer in wherever. And you would be like, okay, fine, we can move there. I'll find a new job there. It's fine. I'll get licensed in that state. Everything will be great. We'll get through it. They aren't willing to move. If the situation is reversed and you're the one who gets the opportunity to change, they're going to drag their feet on it. They're not going to be as supportive as you would. And I'm not saying this is like ending the relationship or anything like that. I'm saying this is a time of reevaluation. Because this could also be a coworker. This could be a family member too. This could be somebody who like, this is weirdly specific, like you've been thinking about going back to school and you mention it to your coworker this week, Cancer, and they just give you shit about it. Like complete crabs in a bucket, you know, like what makes you think you can be a nurse, right? What makes you think you can pass school? You know, I'm here working at the gas station and you can't, or, you know, I'm at this place and why are you getting airs? You know, I got a strong feeling of that. Like, why are you getting airs? Why are you looking above your station? And it's like, you're not happy where you are and you know things can be better. So you're doing things to change it. But people who refuse to admit they could better their lives are going to drag you down. You see what I'm saying? But you got to open up that you need these changes because that will give you the opportunity to get these changes. Yeah, so what's benefiting you is the Four of Pentacles reversed. And I mean, that is a card of like selectively letting go of, see, this card's has a lot going on with it, but all the fours do, to be honest with you. There's just so much going on with them. But in this case, this is releasing some of those pressures, releasing some of those like tightly held dreams that you've been holding on to. And what is hindering you is the Star reverse. So you think that these dreams you have are too far away. You see what I'm saying? Like all these dreams that you're hoping and wishing for, like you're like, oh, it's too much work. Oh, it'll take me 4 years to finish my nursing degree. This and that. I keep on having nursing and medical field coming up, guys. I mean, that's not to say that's all there is, but it just keeps on popping in my head. But I want to tell you this is very important. No matter what, in 4 years from now, you're going to be 4 years older. So are you going to be 4 years older still working at that gas station? Or are you going to be 4 years older with the nursing degree? Do you see what I'm saying? The time is going to pass whether or not you want it to. I mean, it just does. But the idea is, where are you going to be when that time passes? Like, how much further along your path are you going to be? And it feels like you're at that point where you're like, okay, I've got to do something to change. I want this thing to be better with me. It's time for me to start letting my hopes and dreams go. And what you have as the final card is pretty cool, because that is the Ace of Cups. And that's a card of letting things out, of letting things go, right? Of letting emotions go. Like new opportunities for fulfillment. And it's just good. This is a good week for you. You are going to have some sort of conflict or somebody being kind of snotty with you about like your dreams and stuff like that. But the person who is snotty, whatever, it's their jealousy. But again, when you start letting people know that you want this change, you're going to start getting opportunities. Back to the nursing thing. For some of you, like let's say the nursing thing, you mention it to one of your customers that, hey, you know, I want to become a nurse, but I can't afford it. And they might be like, oh, well, I know a scholarship. Do you see what I'm saying? Or, oh, there's a job opening at the hospital I work for, and they pay for part of your schooling. You see what I'm saying? It feels like the second you open up and start admitting that it's not just a dream, this is something what you want to do, like really cool stuff is going to happen. Okay? that's what I have for you, Cancer. I like this reading. Good luck with this. Bye.